Exposing the chaos in Florida, over 1 million people are fleeing as Hurricane Milton approaches. Folks, this is serious. Hurricane Milton is set to be the most devastating storm in over a century. Authorities have issued mandatory evacuation orders for more than 1 million residents across Florida. The storm's intensity is off the charts, with experts predicting catastrophic winds and flooding. Milton's landfall is expected within the next 24 hours, and it's crucial to be prepared. Don't wait until it's too late. If you're in the affected areas, pack your essentials, secure your homes, and head to safety now. Listen to local authorities and keep an eye on updates. Your safety depends on it. Stay tuned and stay safe, everyone. For the latest updates on Hurricane Milton, hit that subscribe button and comment below to let us know how you're preparing. We're in this together. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more urgent news updates. Stay informed, stay safe.